channel. It's Lou. If you're new, welcome to my channel, and if you guys like what you see, please make sure you press the subscribe button that's down below, and also don't forget to press the bell notification so you guys are notified every time I post a new upload. Upload a new video. For today's video, I'm just gonna I don't know, I'm not sure what I'm gonna name the title yet, but it's just gonna be me just putting labels on my lip gloss tubes. I did do a more detailed video on this on my channel already. I will either link it in the eye or I'll put it in the description bar for you, for anyone that wants a more in-depth way of how I do this, because this isn't really going to be like an in-depth type thing. It's just going to be me literally putting them on and just talking to you guys and stuff like that. So yeah, so basically let me just give you guys a little run through. So this is what I am going to be using. I have the products that I'm going to be using, you guys. So this is the Avery I don't know how to explain it. The Avery Easy Peel. You guys, like literally I have not been able to talk all freaking day. The Avery Easy Peel, and it's the address size. Is the address size, and the number of it, which is you guys, I was looking mad crazy trying to find the number for this, but the number is 15660. That's the number. If you guys do find one smaller, because I actually was trying to find one smaller than this, but I couldn't, so I just had to opt out for that. And this is how the sheet looks like. Not sure you guys can see. This is how the sheet looks like. One thing I would say about this is it's not completely clear. It's like it has a foggy look to it, so keep that in mind. Overall, this is how it looks like, if you can focus. And that's just how it looks like. Like I said, it doesn't have like an overall clear look to it. It still has a little foggy look, but I honestly don't mind that, because I feel like this is more so for a temporary like fix. If you are just starting like selling lip gloss and stuff, and you just want to brand your product and stuff like that, so I would highly recommend this way. I actually got this from Office Depot. I got that for Office Depot, and I think it was like 14 bucks, either 13 or 14 dollars. I actually print like the stuff on it. I think it was either 10 or 20 cents per sheet. In total I did 4 sheets, which was like 60 cents, I think. No, it was like 60. It was either 60 or 80 cents, which was mad cheap. So in total everything was like underneath $15. So everything was mad cheap, which I really like, which I really recommend if you are just starting off. Like, go the easy way, because you don't really know if that's really what you want to do, if that makes sense, and you don't want to just spend all your money and you don't even like doing like the lip gloss and stuff like that. So but yeah, but me, I go in and I cut them, because I don't really like the size of it. I personally think it's way too big, so I go in and I literally just cut the circles around them. I cut the circles around them so it can make them a little more smaller. Now I'm not sure exactly what I wanted to talk about. Oh, actually no, I do know what I want to talk about. So I kind of came to the decision where I don't really want to like sell lip gloss anymore. And like, don't get me wrong, I like doing the lip gloss and stuff like that, because me, I personally love lip gloss. Like, I never leave the house without lip gloss or anything, but I personally don't really like, you know, you have to make a batch every single time you have a lip gloss. Or you can do like me and just have presets of lip gloss, where to the point where you don't necessarily have to like keep making sums. But I just personally don't like making it, if that makes sense. But like I said, I like lip gloss, but me, and so making it, nah, I'm good off that. But yeah, I'm gonna stop doing it. I'm gonna stop doing it. I'm probably gonna eventually stop making videos on it. I know that some of my subscribers did come from the lip gloss videos and stuff like that. So just letting you guys know, I might not, like, you know, be doing that type of thing on my channel. And like I said, it was just something that I wanted to try. There's nothing wrong with trying stuff. So even if everybody else is doing it, you never know if you're good at that particular thing. So I would always say go ahead and try it, because you'll never know. Like, you never know if you'll like it, you'll never know if you'll be good at it. So always try everything at least once in life, so you'll know for next time. And personally, I just don't really like doing it. Like, since I am, what the hell, what this alarm's for? Since I'm not gonna be selling it anymore, I am having a huge sale right now on my business page. I'll link that down below if you guys do want to check it out. Like, I think the lip gloss, I think I put them for like $2. It's like a mad clearance sale. So if you guys want any type of like cheap lip gloss and stuff like that, you can check my what was I gonna say? You can check the description bar down below so you guys can check it out if you want. One thing I would say is it sucks because I still do have like tubes that I did not use. I have tubes that I did not use, so that's the only down thing to me. Like, stop selling it. I have like tubes left, but then again, I honestly did not spend that much on them, so it's not really like a hard, like really bad thing that I didn't finish, like, you know, selling all of them. If someone wants it, they can. Y'all can comment down below if you guys would like it, but it has my logo on it, so I don't think anyone would actually want to use it. But one thing is, I still do have some of my lip gloss base. I still have some of my lip gloss base left if you guys would like it. I know like the whole coronavirus thing is going around, so if you don't feel comfortable, I'm not telling you to like to ask for it or anything, but I'm just saying that I'm personally selling it. Let me show you guys how it looks. There's literally this much left, which is a good amount. This amount can make you a good 18 to like 20 glosses, which is a good amount. Or if you don't even want to make lip gloss with it, you can honestly just use it just to try. You could try it to see if you actually like making the lip gloss and stuff like that, so you wouldn't have to spend money on it. So let me know in the comments down below if you guys do want it. And it's pretty sanitary because it has this little top on it, so I didn't really like, nothing really got into it. But like I said, you don't necessarily have to, if you do want this, you don't have to use it yourself, or you don't have to like sell it to customers. You could personally just, if you wanted to just try out and you don't have the money for it, just let me know in the comments, and you guys can, I guess I'll mail it to you guys if you guys are in the United States, because I'm not paying for that international. If you guys want to pay for international shipping and I'll just mail it to you, let me know in the comments as well. Like I said, this is how I cut them. They're like, I cut them to even smaller things, and I take off the clear fudge. I take off the clear tab. You guys can see, like I was saying, like it has the little like foggy look to it, which I personally don't really like, but then again, it doesn't really bother me that bad. But I'm gonna show you guys how I put it on. Do it to a couple. I'm gonna turn you guys around so you guys can see me do it, and I'm pretty sure I'm gonna like fast forward it. So yeah, so watch me just put the stickers on these. I'm basically finished. But like I was saying, oh my god, now it's used to, I'm sorry about the AC noise. Hopefully you guys can still hear me. But honestly, yeah, like I said, like selling the lip gloss was kind of fun and stuff like that, but it's not something that like I don't personally see myself doing as like a long-term thing. And honestly, yes, it makes money because I do follow a lot of lip gloss things that actually do make a good amount of money from selling lip gloss, but I feel like most of them, they're basically doing a wholesale. So if you don't plan on doing like wholesale, and like basically if you don't plan on doing wholesale, like the profit margin, I don't really see how it'll make you money. But don't think just because you get into lip gloss like, oh my god, I'm about to make mad money and stuff like that from just selling lip gloss. From you just selling lip gloss, don't expect you'll be making like bank. So if you do plan on like doing wholesales and stuff like that, because I had a few people actually contact me, at least 2 people contacted me about asking if I do wholesale and stuff like that. So a lot of people are actually looking for people to actually make the lip gloss for them, and then mail it to them. So if you do plan on doing that, then honestly you will make a good amount of money. But if you just plan on just selling just lip gloss, then I wouldn't really like go into it. But if you do love it and you love doing it, go ahead. But if you think it's like, oh, let me just go in because it's popping right now, I'm about to make money, that's not the move. But anyways, but like I said, if anybody is interested in this, let me know in the comments down below, because I know a lot of people aren't really like fortunate enough to just purchase this, because these did get so expensive on TKB trading. So if you guys just want to practice and stuff like that, like I said, it's still sanitary. Nothing really got through it. This was closed, so there's really not much that can get into it. So let me know in the comments down below if you guys want it, if you want me to ship it to you guys. And also, like I said, I'm having a sale on my website for like $2 glosses, I think $2 or $1 glosses. So if you guys are interested, go ahead and check the description bar down below, and I'll put the name right here, which is roguecollections.net, so you guys can go